All right, first thing we do with factoring is check for a GCF. So here, 2 and 16 are both divisible by 2. So the first thing we can do is take out a 2. And we have x cubed plus 8y cubed. Okay, then we look at what's in the parentheses, see if we can factor that. That is 2 terms and they're cubes. So this is a sum of cubes. So we're going to have our 2 still on the outside. And then 2 terms in the parentheses and 3 terms in parentheses. So what goes in the first set is what you would cube to get x cubed, which is x. And to get 8y cubed, you need 2 to get 8, and then y to get y cubed. And then remember that our answer for the second set of parentheses comes from the first set. So we're going to square this first one. We get x squared. Square the last one. Now remember, when you do 2y squared, you have to square both, so that's 4y squared. We have 4y squared there. And then we multiply the 2. So 2y times x gives me 2xy. Then we're going to put our signs in, so it's the same, opposite, always positive. So same sign to start with, plus opposite sign next, minus, and then the last one is always positive. So this is your final answer.